Oh, shit. As you can see here in these devastating photos of the horrible avalanche on Manhattan Hill. These devastating photos were caused by a grenade that went off near the top of the hill, killing and crushing 18 soldiers. Well, not really killing them, well, maiming. Anyways, as you can see here, some of these soldiers were found over 7 centimeters underneath the dirt and rubble. As we are the media, we will try to change the story as much as possible, because that's what we do to brainwash people onto our side. Look at this one man here who was digging a trench and wasn't firing when he died.